Hi, my name is Adriana and I'm going to introduce to you what is fire resistive construction. So basically, fire resistive construction applies to any building that stands over 70 feet tall. These buildings are designed to withstand high temperatures for a long time without collapsing. Beyond that, all structure materials are non-combustible, such as walls, floors, and roof are constructed with reinforced concrete and protected steel. While these features make this building extremely durable, it also increases construction costs.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Akila and I will present about identifying potential hazard in fire resistive construction building. First of all, what is the function of identifying potential hazard for construction building? So identifying potential hazard in construction building is the important function of ensuring the safety of workers, the public, and the structure itself throughout the construction process. It helps prevent accidents, injuries, and fatalities by recognizing risks such as falls, electrical hazard, equipment malfunctions, and unsafe conditions. This also support compliance with health and safety regulation and improve overall project efficiency, reduce costly delay or legal issues, and also promote a proactive safety culture on site. By addressing hazard early, construction teams can implement control measures and maintain a safer worker environment from start to finish. We also know that fire-resistant construction building is the building that are designed to withstand a fire for a longer period, but hazard can still exist. That like there's four potential hazard for fire-resistant construction building. This is the four of the potential hazard for the fire-resistant building. There's building materials, which is the while fire-resistant material are used. Some material, even those they are deemed fire-resistant, it also can contribute the fire spread or smoke production if not properly tested and installed. So there's also we refer to OSHA construction work, which is regulation 2024. For the building materials, we use regulation 34, which is a fire detection and firefighting. For the second potential hazard, it's for maintenance and human, which is there are lack of maintenance for fire safety system, such as sprinklers, alarms, extinguishers, as well as human error like disabling smoke detector or ignoring alarm can significantly increase the risk. And also we use to refer to regulation 31, which is the prevent of risk from fire, flooding, or asphyxiation. Next for potential hazard is a flammable content, which is these are present of combustible materials such as furniture, decoration, and store item. Within the building can fuel a fire and contribute to its spread. We also refer to regulation 23 is for explosive. Last is clutter. A cluttered building with a material like waste paper or empty boxes blocking exit and pathway can hinder escape and firefighting effort. We used to refer to for emergency route and exit. Why for the clutter be the potential hazard? Because it blocking exit or pathway for firefighter to enter the building to help to reduce a fire. So there's they can be a potential hazard for the fire-resistive construction building.
And it's me, Atika. I'm here to talk about something crucial for our safety, which is identifying risks and understanding their effects. My part in this presentation is to lay the groundwork to clearly outline common risks we might face and explain the direct consequences of each. The function of this section is to help us all clearly see the potential dangers and their impacts, which is the first step towards better preparedness and prevention. As you can see on the slide, we've broken this down into two main categories, which is risk and the effects. First, we have the spread of fire and smoke. These risks can lead to significant and detrimental effects on both human health and the environment. And next, structural damage. If something suffers structural damage, it will compromise the safety and stability of your property. Then, challenges to evacuation. When people face difficulties in evacuating, it can unfortunately lead to negative sequences. And finally, toxic combustion products. These are harmful substances that can cause a range of adverse health effects. And by understanding these connections between risks and their effects, we're better equipped to anticipate problems and develop effective solutions.
And I'm Sophia, will be presenting the control measures and safety measures of fire-resistive buildings. To begin with, control measures refer to the systems and structures put in place to detect, manage, and reducing fire hazards. One of the most important components is the fire detection systems, which includes smoke detectors, heat detectors, and other fire detection systems or devices that can automatically reduce alarms and provide early warnings in the event of fire. Another vital system is ventilation, which helps to manage smoke and heat, ensuring clear escape routes and supporting firefighting efforts. Additionally, emergency lighting must be in place to guide employers and employees safely during an evacuation, especially during a power failure. Lastly, a clear evacuation storage is crucial. This involves keeping all exit routes free from obstruction and obstacle and clearly marked with fire-resistant signage and lighting to ensure a smooth and safe evacuation process.
The safety measures of fire-resistant buildings, where the safety measures ensure everyone can safely evacuate and firefighters can access to the building. To ensure a safe environment in the workplace, the regular maintenance and inspections of fire safety systems, including alarms, sprinklers, and extinguishers, must be conducted to confirm they are fully operated. Also, staff training is equally critical. All employees should be educated on fire safety procedures, such as a proper use of extinguishers and evacuation protocols. A regular fire drills also help everyone to familiarize with the escape route and uncover the potential weaknesses in the plan. Additionally, maintaining good housekeeping practices, reducing the fire hazards by minimizing clutters and flammable materials. Together, these measures create a proactive approach to fire safety, protecting both personnel and property.
In conclusion, in order to ensure that everyone is safe and healthy, as the site safety supervisor, you have to make sure that the new employees undergo steps to safety induction to familiarize themselves with site-specific hazards, safe work practices, and company policies. Additionally, emergency procedures, including fire drills, evacuation plans, and first aid readiness, are in place to ensure a timely and effective response during critical incidents. The maintenance of safety and health files, known as SHF, ensures all safety records, hazard assessments, training, documentation, and incident reports are properly documented and reviewed regularly. Thank you.